Hi everyone, today I am showing you how to make incubator at home very easy. You need cardboard box, ghee box, next you need wheat scrap. It's also called 2D. You can also use dry grass. Fill this. Need desi eggs. Red eggs. Need water for control humidity. $60 bulb. You can use 100-watt bulb. This is 12-volt adapter and temperature controller, 12-volt DC and AC. It's only in $1. Bulb holder, wires, adapter wires, positive and negative. It's positive and negative, and holder wires. We need to adjust holder. Connect bulb. Our incubator is ready. It's 100% working incubator. Only in $2. Temperature controller, a bulb 60-watt, and a holder, red eggs, cardboard box, wires. plug the switches. Incubator is starting. At just 37.5. Automatic incubator. See, guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.